In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install apps only from the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 device, so not allowing third-party applications. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select apps. And then on the right side, select where it says advanced app settings. Where it says choose where to get apps at the top, click the drop down and select the Microsoft Store only, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.